Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on the Messenger app. To begin, open the Messenger app on your phone and tap on Menu on the bottom right corner to access the settings. Scroll down and look for Privacy and Safety, then tap End-to-end Encrypted Chats. If you've already enabled encrypted chats, you'll see a list of those conversations. To remove encryption from a specific chat, tap on the conversation, then tap the contact's name at the top. From here, look for an option like Go to Normal Chat or End Encryption. If Messenger doesn't provide a direct way to turn off encryption, you'll need to start a new non-encrypted chat instead. To do this, go back to the home screen, search for the contact again, and tap Start Chat instead of selecting the encrypted thread. Please note that Facebook currently doesn't allow you to globally disable encryption once it's been turned on in a chat. It must be managed per conversation. And that's how you manage or remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger on mobile. Thanks for watching.